Today I've got a really cool product. This is the MYCHANIC SideKick SK2. I'm gonna set this down on the floor. We get our operating instructions manual. Looks like our seat, our tray, and some more parts. This thing is packaged in there really well. So let's see. Inside of our drawer, we have some more parts. These appear to be our hardware, and this is our tool caddy. We have some casters. Okay, I've got you zoomed in here a little closer. We can go ahead and start installing this by removing these protective caps. Going to put our casters through up from the bottom, and you'll see that on the bottom here, the holes are square, and that lines up with your caster to actually lock the caster in place. Now, with the casters on, we're going to put on a washer and 17mm lock nut. Now we have the casters on, and while it's turned around, we're going to go ahead and put our impact gun holder or drill holder, tool holder, whatever you want to call it. This is by far going to be my favorite part of this new stool because I'm always using one of my impact drivers, and you can see they set right down in it. And with it, all you do, line it up with all these holes and use these Phillips screws and a screwdriver and screw it on here. Then we're going to do the same thing for the sides. Now, all we need to do is install the seat, and that's as easy as just setting it on top, dropping it down. This is going to be my second most favorite feature after the impact gun holder is the adjustable height. So I'm going to set this up as high as I can because I like a really tall stool. And you just do that with your provided bolts, washers, and lock nuts. Washer, bolt, washer, and lock nut. And just repeat. And your final part is just to set your tool tray in here. It has these grooves inside here that match up with this. So this just goes in and sits inside those grooves. Then you can pull it out, or you can take it completely out and the handle lifts, and then you have a tool tray that you can just carry. And like I said, this is completely adjustable. You can see that I've got it up on the highest setting, so you could go down further if you wanted to. And of course, you have your drawer here. So that's just really quick how to put together the MYCHANIC SK2 SideKick mechanic stool. I'm going to put it to use, and then I'm going to give a really in-depth review of it once I've actually used it a little bit, because as you saw, I just took it out of the box. So until then, stay tuned for the full review of the MYCHANIC SK2. Make sure to check them out. I'll leave links to this and their website and everything down in the description. So make sure to check them out. And if you like this video, make sure to go into my channel, check out a couple other videos. I've got all kinds of different stuff in there. If you find a video that you like, hit the like button. If you have something to say, leave it down in the comments. And if you find a couple videos that you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.